Sneezing is a powerful, involuntary expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth. Sneezing can be triggered by irritants like dust, pollen, or strong odors entering the nasal passages. Allergies are a common cause, where the immune system overreacts to harmless substances. The sneeze reflex starts when sensory nerves in the nose detect irritants. A signal is sent to the brain, which coordinates the muscles involved in sneezing. The chest muscles, diaphragm, and throat muscles work together to expel air forcefully. Sneezing helps clear nasal passages of irritants, protecting the respiratory system from infections. Did you know sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's incredibly fast. The myth that sneezing stops your heart is false, though it might feel like it. Next time you sneeze, remember it's your body's way of keeping you healthy and safe.